Hello, one and all. Oh my goodness, that was very loud. Wow. Let's just make sure. Is that okay? That is peaking like crazy. My God. Hello, one and all, and welcome to the first stream with affiliate. Hey, that's pretty sweet. Turn my phone on silent. There we go. Sorry, Horace. Ads. Oh, the ads are new. Okay, I didn't actually know if Twitch, because Twitch used to have a system where you get an ad anyway, but if they weren't affiliate or partner, the money would go to Twitch. But seemingly they don't do that anymore, I suppose. How many subs? Well, this is the first stream I've done as affiliate, so none currently. Welcome Cider, Aurora, Dark Camille, Brady, Coffee Cake W to the stream. It's just a 5. Okay, I thought there were 6. Never mind. What I need to do is to see if I can get the Twitch chat up on my tablet like I used to get the Restream chat up. We're going to see if that's a thing you can do. Actually, it might be possible with the Twitch app. I'm kind of hoping it is. I do have the Twitch app, so that's a good start. Let's see what we got. No mind, I've got to log in. Oh yeah, I've got to log in. Oh, I'll just have to have it without this time, I think. Whereas in Linux, I can't have like the extension that puts the chat on the OBS window. That just apparently doesn't work. So I'll pop the chat out, put it on the side, and then just try and not kill it, I guess, by accident. Right, okay. So we can get rid of, I think we can get rid of this. Give me 1 second. Alright, okay. Oh, the bot. I'll put the stream on. Okay. Move that over here. Get terminal up. Do updates. Because why not? I've literally only just turned this on because I was in Windows. 2 minutes before the stream was supposed to start, so that was good. My phone's all tangled around the mic in a weird way. There we go. CD data / program / Carberra / GitHub / tutorials Twitch bot. Okay, I was kind of hoping. Oh no, it's GitHub / Carberra / tutorials Twitch bot. There we go. VA Python -m Carberra. There we go. Welcome the Nubicorn to the stream. Hope you're doing okay, and welcome Jackster to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Is the mic on? It is on. Okay. For a second, I thought the mic wasn't bloody on then. So yeah, as a reminder, this is the first stream that I have affiliate. It's also the first stream that I'm doing only on Twitch. So if you know anyone that watches the streams on YouTube and they want to watch the streams, then feel free to let them know on Twitch. Or sorry, feel free to let them know that I am on Twitch. You can also cheer if you want to, and you can also subscribe as well as follow. So I'm not sure if the person in here who wanted the join button on YouTube is here, because there was someone on the feedback form that wanted that. I don't have it on YouTube because you don't get it until, I don't know if it's 10,000 or 100,000, but I'm quite a way away. But I do have it on Twitch, so if you're willing to do that, then go for it. You also have channel points. They're called Carberras. It was actually Jack's suggestion, not Emily's. I do apologise for the miscredit in the video. But those do things. They're not really useful this stream because I haven't really set it up. But you can still grab them ready for other streams. The bot also is there, although the economy for the bot is separate. So keep that in mind. Be data / program / cover plans, I imagine, and then it'd be cd data analysis. Wow, that took a long time. Why did that take such a long time? And then code. I don't know. Wait. I mean, to be fair, Sadie, your internet is bad every day. Let's be real. Okay. So in the last stream, welcome Emily to the stream. How are you doing? Okay. Oh my goodness. In the last stream, we'd sorted out what data sets we wanted to use roughly. I might have to go back and do this, but I'll probably do that off stream, I imagine. If there was anything I missed there, I don't actually remember. And we were doing linear regression. I don't remember if we got anywhere with it. Oh, we did. We got... Oh, yeah, we tried to use the sklearn one, didn't we? Or did we? Did we? I'm not actually sure now because the imports don't match up. No, I think your audio is just that messed up. Oh my god, Jackster. And Darkerville, what? Thank you for the subscription and the bits, respectively. First subscriber and first donator. That's awesome. So bad enjoyment. Thank you. I will enjoy my dollar. Which I believe is what that's equivalent to. I'm pretty sure a bit is a cent. So, for Christ, the subscription, that's tier 1. Oh god. Is that... What, like, value is that? I don't even know what the tiers are. I know there's like tier 1, 2 and 3, but I have like no idea what the difference is. So... Bits don't exist in Sweden, really? That's super weird. 100 bits is around €1. That's interesting. Oh, does it change in different regions? So I know at least in America it's $1 for 100 bits. Maybe it's different. I see. Okay, that makes sense. I didn't actually realize that. I thought it was just like a thing. €156. All right, see you in a bit. Coffee Cake W. That's what I thought it was. It's different emotes for certain tiers. Yeah, that's very true. That's very true. I should actually add emotes, really, shouldn't I? Because I can do that now. Well, what I'll probably do is I'll probably just like transfer a load from the Discord. I'll transfer my favorite ones for the Discord in. Thank you, Max, for the Prime subscription. Yeah, that's the thing, actually. If you have Twitch Prime, you get a free subscription. I think it's free tier 1, I believe. That's so much I've got enough for a hype train to start. That's crazy. Yeah, so if you have Twitch Prime and you don't know who to subscribe to, then consider doing it to me, because you can now. Hey. I also love how the hype train is on 69%. Like if it doesn't get to 100%, then I'm fine with it being at 69. It's either got to be 69 or it makes it. It has to be one of those two. yeah, where were we? Where's the Firefox window? Oh, I closed it, didn't I? That was it. Dark Emil, your bits would have gone onto the hype train. It just had to have enough in one go to start it, so yours would have counted for it. So I guess we'll try this like linear regression in sklearn again, see what I did wrong in the last one. So we didn't really fix what the issue was because it was so late in the stream that I think I started this with like 15 minutes left. That's really unfortunate. Can you not change the quality of the stream slider? Is that not a thing you can do? Because I was told you could only that viewers could change the quality once the streamer hit affiliate. Yeah, I really don't know. So it'd be oh, have we got to do a dot product? We might have to do a dot product. That might have been what I did wrong. So this is where did I get that example from? I'm pretty sure I took that from somewhere. Did I? Or did I not? I might have taken that from a different website. Alright, see you later, Soda. Hopefully your internet stops by or what. Affiliates get it as and when. I see. So I probably haven't got it yet. Because this is the first one I've done as affiliate. Carberra's in the bag. How many of those have people got? I really don't know how quickly those get distributed. $310. Damn, you're actually getting quite fast. Then, because I know you get passive ones for just watching, and then every now and then you get click here for like another 50. So if is it 300 for a follow? Oh, that makes a lot of sense. I see. 10 for every 5 minutes. Yeah, and then you get like the drops, and then I think you get your own special drops. Or you get more when you're a sub as well. That makes sense. 380, damn. Yeah, I have to come up with rewards. Like, if people have ideas for rewards and stuff that people can redeem the points for, and let me know. Because yeah, because I've already sort of like half sorted it out, so I still need to sort out emotes and I still need to sort out rewards. But yeah, so right. What we'll try and do with this is we'll try and do like dot products, I suppose. P dot x 1 2 plus 3. What? Oh, that's least negative least squares wrapped as a predictor object. Okay, what I might do is I might actually just search it up and then see what we get. The thing is, I know how to do polynomial regression. Well, I kind of know how to do linear regression as well. Because, wait, let me open it up. Because if I go cd data / programs, it'd be / God university. Yeah. It'd be machine learning assignment 1. I think. Edit VA. Oops. This is that's not what I want to do at all. This is all like polynomial regression. To do linear regression, you can just do. Yeah, so this is the polynomial regression one. Fuck off. And to do linear regression, you just pass the degree of 1 in here, but I feel as though that's you don't want to do that all the time. For credits in Carberra. I hadn't even thought about doing it the other way around. Is that possible? What, Carberra? I don't know if that's possible. Document. I have to have a look. I think because everything is like separated. I'm not sure. Welcome Book Pie to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Also, I've now got everyone's colours in the colours they want. On the Restream chat, you can set it to display colours, but each colour is randomly assigned by Restream. It doesn't take the Twitch colour for some reason. So now everyone's the correct colour. Also, what is this? Oh, that's a reply. I see. It doesn't use an @ symbol, it uses this weird message symbol. Okay. How very strange. Also, while I'm here, before I actually go any further, I'm gonna VIP some people. I'm gonna VIP. So who is actually VIP and who isn't? The thing is, people can't be VIPs and mods at the same time. So I'm gonna do. There we go. Ta-da! Essentially, people stop by quite a bit. Yeah. Okay, that works. Cool. I might have to think of a way of like having follows and stuff, and having bits add more credits on to a thing, but I'll probably wait until I rewrite. I mean, to like the bot specifically. Alright, but anyway. This is polynomial regression. Because I rewrote this in such a way as to kind of like flex my my knowledge of Python to the to the examiners, just to kind of show that use and stuff. This isn't the most readable thing in the world as a result of that, but that's what happens when you flex. So I guess we'll do the polynomial regression one first, since I actually know how to do that one. Because like the thing is, there's also the NumPy way of doing it, but like I can't figure out how that actually works, or if it works, because it doesn't seem like it works that well. I guess we'll try it real quick. Oh, what the hell? Oh yeah, I don't have the LZMA module. I don't know what is trying to import that. Oh, it's pandas, I see. Oh yeah, because I'm doing 3.9 now, because everything works on 3.9. I forgot. Alright, see you later, Emily. So B here, import NumPy as NP. Put all that. I didn't get the warning this time round. So you got, I forget what it was. Okay. You know, if I'm just going to be searching around for different methods, I might as well do this one first. So does NumPy have a linear regression of it in itself? It should do. Linear regression in NumPy. I'm going to see, because the sklearn one is kind of crap by those things. Let's see. Linear regression. Problem formulation. I just want the code. I literally just want to steal a code. That's all I want to do. There's polynomial stuff as well. Python packages, NumPy. I think this is the one I had before. Yeah, this is the one I had before. By the looks of things. That just didn't really work. Unless I did it wrong. There's a chance I did it wrong. Cranberries. No, I like Carberries. It's more of the name is in there. Thing is, I kind of lose the ability to have two screens and also look at the chat. With this method, I am going to have to figure out a way to get it to load on my tablet. At some point, but yeah. Okay, so let's get rid of all this. We don't want any of that. Oh no, we do actually, don't we? Well, I can't undo it now, so. So we got. So we got df to regress, I suppose. Equals df be, what would it be? It'd be views and red views is what I chose in the end. Views dot values. So this will have it as two numpy arrays. So can I do that? Is that a thing? df is not defined. Oh, I need to load everything. Too many values to unpack. Oh no, it can't. Print df2 dot head. Oh no, it's now in an ND array. I see. Okay. Makes some degree of sense. 740 foxes. Red views is the number of views through YouTube Premium, but when the API was built, it was called YouTube Red, and they, for backwards compatibility purposes, they just didn't change it in the API. That I like the idea of Aurorus. If I ever get a merch store, I'm definitely figuring out how to do that. Okay, so how do I then... How do I then split this into X and Y? I suppose I wouldn't need to. So yeah, we now have this array. So now I have a array. Let's see if I can remember how to like split an numpy array. I believe it's that. It would appear to be. So we need 488. Yeah, okay, that's how it is. Fox squishy, yeah. That'd be so cool. Alright, I need to go back to here. So I'm gonna be losing chat for a bit while I do this. F. Oh, I need to, yeah, I need to actually do like a split the X and Y now. And then Y equals 1, and then this needs to be reshaping. Or reshaped. I literally woke up maybe about an hour and a bit ago. So yeah, I'm probably in a bit of a weird state right now. Two-dimensional array, so print X. And then print Y. Whoops. Print Y, yeah, there we go, that looks about right. Okay, so this thing now should work. So model equals linear, actually it's normally called that, isn't it, I think. Linear regression. And then regger.fit x, y. And then I've got to figure out how to plot that. Oh yeah, and you need to do pred equals model regular dot predict x seemingly, and then yeah, oh my goodness, this is gonna take a long time to find where to bloody plot this thing. I guess it would be that, wouldn't it? Linear regression is not defined. Oh yeah, I need to import it. So it'd be from. Actually, I'll switch it to the chat so I can read that while I'm doing this. Yes, it was. I was up until like what? I think I was up until about 6 or 7. Just dealing with stuff. That's annoying. When was next gaming stream? I don't know. I still need to fix my Elgato. Well, it's VIPs. It's because all the returning people I gave VIP to. So. Linear model or mod, because you can't have VIP and mod apparently. Imports linear, oh goodness, linear regression. Just run all that through and see if, oh there we go, actually worked this time. Matplotlib is currently using the which is a non-GUI backend, so cannot show the figure. Okay, yeah, Python 3.9 is just being weird. When would there be a face reveal 2.0? In literally every single video I do on the channel. All the tutorial series now start off with my face. All of them. Every last one. I think every single video for the last, like, 8 or 9 has had my face in it, so... The face live. Oh. Thing is, I haven't got around to fixing the webcam yet because it doesn't work on Linux. I don't know why. I still haven't figured it out. But the webcam works fine on Windows in OBS, but on Linux, nah, mate, don't work. It's so incredibly bizarre. Oh, for God's sake. See, when I figure it out, it'll be in every stream. Why not stream from Windows then? Because I don't have any of my development stuff set up on Windows. It's only set up on Linux. So, the gaming stream. I can't because I'm developing on Linux. I don't even have Python installed on Windows at all. Or VS Code. I have Sublime as a note-taking application, that's it. So yeah, even if I wanted to, oh you piece of, so even if I wanted to, I couldn't. I don't know if it, yeah, I mean for the gaming, yeah, I will do it. But okay, I'm gonna have to re-update the README, just say that it's not going to work on 3.9 because I don't think it really does. So it'd be pip install -r requirements. I do have the requirements.txt, right? Oh, for God's sake. Okay, fine. Looks like we're going to find our requirements. Oh my God. And okay. Whatever, I could just bring it back. I found out if you middle click the back button, it goes back, but it puts it in a new tab. So it'd be the data analysis tutorial. I'm really glad I made this version table because this is now being quite useful for me. So let's do this. Well, yeah, but I wanted to. I know about Control-Shift-T, but it's because I didn't close it. I went to a different link from it, so that wouldn't work in this context. So if we just do that, that should install everything we need. There's so many libraries. Look at all these libraries. Oh my god. That always makes me laugh. Just the sheer number of libraries you end up installing. Problem is that data science libraries have a lot of dependencies. And in analytics, because it's a Google application, or because it uses the Google API, that also has a lot of different dependencies. So you end up with this huge... Oh my god. That's really quite funny. First to reply this message gets $1,000. So that's dollars, that's not credits. You actually had to give Dark Emil 1,000 real life dollars now, in cash, in person. Oh, did I installed that on the wrong one. God, I'm good. Whatever. It's fine. I don't need this assignment anymore anyway. But I did genuinely install it on the wrong thing just then. Program. Git. No, it'd be Carberra plans. Sustain analysis. There we go. And then be, yeah, VA. Actually, it's a VD, and then I need to remove this venv as well. I'm not on my A game today. Oh, you piece of... I hate this. Move. If I restart the computer, it'll let me move it, but... You didn't. You did say $1,000, to be fair. nv.venv. Oh, God's sake. Old. And then python 3-mvenv.venv. VA, and then just go up in history until we find this. And then just wait for it to install that again. I love it every single time my computer goes. There's a bug like that in RL banks. That's fine, Sada. I don't expect anyone to subscribe. They should only do it if they want to, and definitely have the money to. When I make a requirements TXT, I thought I did, but apparently not. I'll be honest. Oh no, I think I may have done. It's just I was in the wrong directory. Do I have one? Oh yeah, I did. I did make one. Never mind, I'm just dumb. I'm just actually dumb. Yes, please use this venv. Not pretty much. I'm pretty sure no longer exists in that directory. But whatever. So we'll load that up in code. Welcome, Ikbanoli5 to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Yeah, it's kind of strange how it highlighted as a link. I found that kind of weird as well. So now it should run fine without any warnings. Never mind. Whatever, it's fine. Python input. I don't know why it's saying that now. It wasn't saying that before. Thank you, Hubzado, for the follow. Because pip installing Jupyter. Yeah, it doesn't work though. I tried that and it wrecked it. So I just do it in the venv and it works. I just do it the way I know it works. So yeah, we actually have a linear regression. Look at that. I'm gonna make the line width a bit better though. I believe it's LW equals 5. Is it LW or is it width? It's LW. Maybe 3. There we go. Look at this amazing linear regression. So you can see it's a positive trend between views and red views. Choose buffer. I don't know why. Or true, import all the break. I don't know why it's buffering so much for people. I swear that some days it works fine, some days it doesn't. The funny thing is that I stream at 4,000 kilobits per second, which for 1080p is less than the YouTube recommended bitrate. YouTube recommends 4,500 for 1080p. So yeah, it's fine for me as well. I don't know if I'm dropping frames or what. I haven't dropped any frames according to OBS. You're doing it's fine. It just doesn't really work for me, but I like doing it in the Venv anyway. I think if you do it in a Venv, it just works better straight up, but I don't know. I think it's just fine with it. Yeah, I should probably split up a little bit, maybe have it in a function. To def predict. It'll be I suppose it'd be a linear regression. I don't know if that'll have anything in it yet. So it'd be actually that would take a data frame. Well, actually no, it would take data, and then we would do we'd do all this. Data, and then data. Appreciate. Also, while I'm thinking about it, if I forget near the end of the stream, someone remind me that I want to do a raid today. Okay? If I forget. I might actually set like a note to remind me. But someone please do remind me if I forget. Just streams that you can save the whole stream and I can follow. I'll be re-uploading the VOD to YouTube. I can just download it and re-upload it. It'll probably be in better quality as well, because I can download it in source quality on Twitch. You can't do that on YouTube. So I just download them on Twitch. Anyway, I have every single stream I've ever done backed up. But yeah. Man, Shadow Legend. Get out of my chin. I'm joking, stay. But no, it's not Raid Shadow Legends. I'm not sponsored by them. Definitely 100% not sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Expose today's sponsor. Yes, it's true, everyone. Stop emailing me, Domino's. Oh my god. I don't want your emails. I don't know why, but Domino's just started emailing me like crazy. Maybe I should try and get Host Sapling to sponsor one of these streams. Maybe I should try and get Host Sapling to sponsor the Discord.py music requests one. That would be kind of funny if I could get that to happen. Because they would probably actually do it. We are still in a partnership, so it's very possible. Oh my god, that happened. That's really funny. Well, Host Sapling is alright now that they've got the management team that they have. I mean, it was a hell of a risk signing with them in the first place, but in the long term it worked out. But yeah, I just don't think I have enough subscribers really or views to kind of grab any sort of attention. Oh, we want no, we want to return this. Yeah, we want to have that as a thing, and then we want to do. So I'm going to call this data, and then pred equals linear regression data, and just plot it. Yeah, it works the same. Okay, so we can get rid of this cell now that we've done it a little bit better. Domino's after seeing stream. Buy a new tasty food and eat on stream. I have actually it wasn't a Domino's. It's because I have eaten a pizza on the very first gaming stream I did, the one that didn't go that well, but it wasn't a pizza. Stream is over 5 minutes. Where did you get that from? Add drops. Do I manually do drops? I don't know. I thought that those happened automatically. I can't manually do anything. I thought it just happened automatically. Or is that something I have to enable? Pretty sure that's a thing, right? I love how I can do emotes only chat. What's this chat appearance? Oh, I see. Okay. Show mod icons. Oh, I see. Right, that makes sense. Good off now, I suppose. I love how chat appearances in both mod settings and non-mod settings. Oh, do I not have a colour? I don't think I have a colour. Let's give myself the purple one. E. Domino's doesn't know. I know McDonald's is in Sweden. Wow, is that it? Damn. I don't know if this has changed, but I also know that they're extremely expensive in Sweden. Because my mum went there once on a holiday and everything was like twice as expensive as it was in the UK. That was a while ago, so I don't know if stuff has changed since then. But I might just leave the linear regression at that, I think. So I can go back in to here. And that's the bot. Why am I doing this in Nano? Just anywhere, apparently. But you've never been to the UK, so I suppose you couldn't compare. So that's been planned now. So now we need polynomial. I wonder if Python or if sklearn is a polynomial. We have Dunkin' Donuts like somewhere. Yeah, IKEA is actually Swedish. That's the thing. Oh, that's W3 skills. This is towards data science, which is much better. The first few articles I read on towards data science are great. And then all the others, they're just so badly written. And a lot of them are actually quite badly coded as well. But we'll see if this one's the same. Oh, this is full on using test train split. You don't really need to do that. And this is using linear regression. Oh, okay, that is just doing linear regression. Well, this is doing multiple. Oh, hang on. Import polynomial features. Ah, okay. So it's polynomial features. Hey, the stream loaded. Woo! So it'd be, wait, what's the import? From sklearn.preprocessing. Import polynomial features. And then it looks to be pretty much this. I'm just going to copy this into a cell. So I can have the chat open still. So from, we don't need this numpy one in there anymore. From sklearn.preprocessing, import polynomial features. And then in this cell, so we run that. God, the chat is going nuts. It's still kind of surreal having a chat that I can't keep up with sometimes. That's always kind of weird to me. I'm so used to like being a smaller streamer and also watching them as well. I mean, I am a small streamer, but obviously the chat is really quite active for the size that I am. It's still strange. A lot of it is still strange with the 2K and the affiliate and whatever, but you know, I'm pretty sure we do polynomial features and a degree. Oh, this is where we pass the degree, so I'm gonna just do degree 4 with it. What? I should have a Jackster QT emote. 10,000. Everyone get started to give me 10,000 credits. Oh god. It's laggy now. Is it generally lagging for more or less everyone at this point? I don't remember that block word. Because it's not a bad word. I want people to be able to call you cute in my streams. What's the names I use? I kind of want to use the same names if possible. Oh, this just had a fit. Okay, so it is just different. Well, it's actually interesting. X poly equals regular dot fit transform X. Oh yeah, I need an. Oh yeah, I need to actually import some data, don't I? That'll probably help. The 6M one will be fine, I think, to use. I can't. I'm affiliate now. I'm not allowed to stream on YouTube. It breaks Twitch TOS. So Jackster's having no issues. Unicorn's having some. Okay, what I'm going to do, because OBS supports me dropping the bitrate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it to 3500. I'm not dropping it any further than that, otherwise it's going to like be rubbish on 1080p. But OBS should, in time, drop it down. Okay, well, it's going all over the place right now. It seems to have stabilized at about 3,800. So I don't know why it doesn't stick to the limit. I always found that kind of weird. But it has definitely been dropped a bit. So hopefully that's better for people, but I'm not dropping it below 3,500. Whoa. Is that what the me command does? Oh no, highlighted message for 100 channel points. I see, I see. I forgot that was a thing. Yeah, I'll keep that reward. That's true, the phone app might be alright. I know the phone app, I know they have... I see, okay. I know they have like a warning saying that it shouldn't like be above a certain amount for mobile users, but I guess I'm just gonna have to make some concessions until the quality adjuster comes in, because apparently that will just hit me at some point at random. It's better now, okay. Because I'm supposed to have it, but apparently it just kind of it'll just arrive at a specific time. I guess what we can do is we can do like a def polynomial regression data. Whoopsie daisies. Slash me then the message. Oh, I'm orange. I set myself as purple. I just got. I am actually purple. In what? I'm purple. You can set your color, but apparently it doesn't save. That's very strange. In that case, I don't know then. I know there's a color setter, but apparently it doesn't work. Which is interesting. So I need this returned out. I think. So oh no, I had it in that cell, didn't I? Oh no, but I need the like. So what is their X? I love how they have X train, X test, and they don't even use it. That's kind of funny. Okay, so they have dataset.line. Oh no, iloc. I can't read. How do I read iloc as line? What? That's column 1 and column. That's 1 to 2. Okay, so do I need both on the X? I'm presuming I need both on the X in that case. So I guess this would be data because you pass it in, and y equals data 1, and then you would have oh no, you don't need it for the y at all. I don't think you just need it for the plot. I'm gonna guess. Yeah, so that in theory should be fine. That might actually be all I need. So we'll go in here and we'll do you know what, I'm not gonna have it in a function for the meantime. I'm just gonna have it as a views, red views. I'm just gonna have it as this for now and then convert it to a function. Rejoin changes it. You're pink on your screen, unicorn. You're green on mine. There was a poll. I didn't even notice that. Was I looking away for that long? I didn't realize anyone can make a poll, actually. I love it. Caught that for being a sexual term. That was kind of funny. It like auto modded that. That was kind of funny actually. That's on level 2 of 4. Because level 2 presumably is alright. Actually, can I make a poll of my own? I can. Open a setup menu to make a poll. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh my word, this is complicated. All right. There you go. There we go. All right. So. There we go. That's a suitable poll in my opinion. Oh, I can vote in my own poll. Hell to the yeah. There's Jackson's vote. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. Whoops. Oh no, in all fairness, I am just kind of messing around with Twitch's new stuff that I've got now, so that's kind of cool. So it'd be your x poly equals, no, it'd be polynomial features degree equals 4. No, I need to set an x and y, don't I? So the x is data, and then the y is data. Whoops. I believe. You can also, oh no, you can't use bits because they don't exist in Sweden. Yeah, I thought I'd enable them. Chance I know I was going to use them, but I thought I'd just enable the option. I don't know. I have to vote 5 times. My God. Holy crap. Wow, that is so broken. My words. That is very broken. I don't know how to change the color. Whoa, okay. Oh wow, you can even see a total number of messages that people have sent. I don't know if this is a thing. Aurora. Oh, it's only up to 999. Once you hit 1,000, it stops counting. I see. You can. I actually set those values myself. I didn't think 100 would be that high, or I didn't think 100 would be too low. But here we are. I also love how I can report my own poll. That's kind of funny. So we have the. Oh, I already have the regular in place. It's x poly equals poly. It'll be regular.fit transform x, and then. Oh no, we do need the y. And then you have. Oh no, this is the features. Yes, this is features. And then you have the regular equals linear regression. Oh, so I actually need both. Damn. From sklearn dot linear model imports linear regression. Yeah, doing the sklearn method seems a lot better than doing the numpy method. How long is the pause? For 5 minutes. I mean, I was just screwing around. Oh, there's actually a little bar with the timer. I see. Is that a little purple bar underneath, like the question is the amount of time that's left? So I think it's about a minute, roughly. Well, I can find the setting to change the chat color. It just doesn't change it. I would people put all their channel points into this. The winner was no, 52%. Only just. Camille contributed 900 channel points. Oh my God. That's insane. Yeah, it literally says that. That's really funny. I guess that's the sort of thing that channel points are for. I guess it's the only thing you can use it for right now because I don't have rewards set up. But yeah, I don't know what sort of rewards to have. Honestly. I really don't know. Because the face cam I want at some point to be a standard, so I can't have that. I'm pretty sure you pumped a load of channel points into that to know yourself, Jackster. Oh, I'm on the wrong one here. X poly and then Y. You're still green on my screen, Unicorn. I voted no twice. Okay. So someone pumped in a load. I'm sure someone pumped in a load to put no on that. Oh, you're purple now. Well, that's not the colour you wanted. You wanted red, didn't you? You're purple on my screen, Unicorn. Why does the colours not work? Yeah, that would probably explain it. That would probably be what happened there. I just realised your nickname is probably Dr. Camille, isn't it? Not Dark Camille. Oh my god. Have I been mispronouncing it this whole time? Yeah, you're purple on my screen, Unicorn. Oh, poor. I don't think unfollowing and then following again works. I don't know though. It would seem a bit broken if it did. But I'm pretty sure you get them for bits. You might get them for bits. I don't know. Did you get any extra when you donated the bits? I don't know. Got there's the gift someone. Oh, you're red now, Unicorn. There you go. So now I think I have... Okay. Alright, so all this then goes in... Actually, all... I think... Yeah, I think all this goes in here. And then we do return... Yeah, regular.predict x. But in this instance, the x can be data because we only need to set a y because this should be data. I just want full words. Am I not going to get the option to change that? Oh, that's annoying. Ah, you mother. Data. And then that, in theory, should work. I hope. So pred equals polynomial regression data. And then we just pretty much, I believe, just copy paste this. And that should be fine. No, it's not. Red views not in index. Views not in index? That's an interesting error. Oh, I see. Linear regression is not defined. Oh, I've never re-imported it. Also, this code is not going to work. Matt Mall. Import operand 1 has a mismatch in its core dimension 0. With goof function. Oh my goodness. Size 15 is different from 2. What line is that on? Oh, it's the polynomial regression data. It's inside here. Oh, it's the predict. It's the prediction. I've done the prediction wrong. Come back, I need the cell back. Oh, do you have to refit the transform? Wait, what? Oh, you pass an X poly to the predict. I see. Okay, well, that was a really weird error. I think the degree of 4 is a bit high. Let's rerun that. Okay, so what I've done there is I've drawn a line graph. That's not quite what I was going for, really. Yeah, what I've done there is I've drawn a line graph using polynomial regression. How did that even happen? How did that even happen? Okay. Yeah, something went quite wrong in there. Stream is lagging again. Oh no. Oh, did you donate another 100? Oh, you donated another 100 bits. Thank you, Dark Emil. I do appreciate it. Or Dr. Camille. I don't know. I don't think you corrected me. Maybe you did? I'm not sure. I missed a lot while I was doing that polynomial regression by those things. Either way, yeah, thank you for the bits again. Did you get any extra channel points from that? Because I don't know if bits equal more channel points. Stream crash? I don't think so, no. Any plans on what else to do with the Carberra is... I don't really know right now. I'm still trying to think of stuff to redeem. But if you have any ideas, then feel free to let me know. Bearing in mind, face cam would be one of them because I plan to make that the default at some point. That should be a standard, but I just haven't got that to work yet. Animation for subs and donates. Yeah, I'm not sure that's possible on standard OBS. You need Streamlabs OBS to do that, I think. Well, you don't, but like... I can't really find a good extension for it. But Streamlabs OBS doesn't work on Linux. Which is kind of annoying. Like, part of me wants to spend some time trying to get WSL2 on Windows to an extent that I could just ditch Linux entirely. Because having these two operating systems for two different things is causing a few issues with regards to the content. So I want to see if I can get that in such a way that I can have all my development stuff just kind of stuffed into a Linux WSL2 container, and then just use the Windows UI and all the Windows stuff as like the extra stuff. But just restart Twitch, goodness. Either way, what the flying has gone wrong here? Share OBS for gaming. Yeah, I might do. I don't really know. We'll have to see about that. Right, what is... Because this is... Wait, no. That is just joining the dots. That's not polynomial regression. I must have copied something wrong. Can't use wine. Maybe. I don't know. I never used wine before. This might be possible. We'll have to look into it. Either that or have another look for like an extension that does it. I mean, in theory, I could program something, but I don't know. Like, doing stuff with Pygame is a bit weird sometimes. Plus, it kind of I've never really understood the Twitch API. I've never been able to get the thing to work because the authentication system is just rough. And I'll Google it later, but. Oh, sweet. Can I pin that? I'll just open it for now and I'll just leave that in the background. Look at it in a bit. Thanks for Jackson, though. So, right. What have I done wrong here? Is it not going to give me the damn... There we go. Is it going to give me the cell back? There we go. It gave me the... Finally. So, yeah, I think that's all the same. Is that all the same? This okay, that loads fine. Okay, so what have I done differently here? What's changed? So the reg.fit. Okay. Reg.predict. .fit. Oh no, that's what I've no, that's fine actually. How long will you stream? Streaming until 7. So it'll be another hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, I do want to raid. The reason I want to raid today is because Nerd Cubed, I think it's actually, let me just check if he is actually doing it right now. He should be. Nerd Cubed, his internet presence is turning 10 today. So it's so zoomed in, I have the Twitch stream zoomed in like crazy. Why did I type that in? We should be, yeah. 24 hours in Flight Simulator, Nerd Cube's 10th anniversary special. He's been my favourite YouTuber for over half a decade, and I want to raid him. So that'd be kind of fun to do. So that's why I wanted to do that. Because I decided, oh, I'll stream Saturday, and then the next day said, I'm starting my stream Saturday at 4. And I'm like, oh my god, really? I've got to miss the first 3 hours of this. So, yeah, fun times. What have I done differently here? So X polys fit transform X, which we've done. Although I don't know. Well, that's probably I'll just explain what it is. I need the data split 1 to 2. Yeah, so it's that is 1 through 2 inclusive. That must be right. Is it? I actually don't know. df .iloc 1 through 2 .head. Oh, for God's sake! It's a single column. That's where it's going wrong. The stupid thing is just confusing. Okay, so we do need an X. We need an X in the same way. So we need X equals data. Yeah, no wonder it's screwing up. Okay, fine. This needs to be X, and then I think that's it actually. I don't know. Whoa. Expected 2D array, got 1D array instead. Oh yeah, I need to do the reshape, don't I? So all this stuff is the same. Why did it do it so differently? There we go. Okay. So you probably want it. Yeah. Because it probably isn't the best one to demonstrate on, but as you can see, there's like a curve here. See if I can do it on a slightly better graph. The linear regression works fine, but this one it doesn't really work too well. So we can get let's see. What is somewhat accurate? What have we actually got in our data sets here? Because we could always just use a different one. Oh, there's so many. My God. I forgot how many I had actually pulled down now. Yeah, the bot's online. Loading animation in a single image. That's unfortunate. Why is it just so broken today? I don't understand. I think Twitch is just freaking out. I know it's nothing on my end. I got 0 drop frames. Like 3500 we're going to 720p territory now. With that already. So I can't really turn it down anymore, otherwise it will just ruin it for the people whose internet is fine. So I don't know. So let's see. I don't know if like doing demographic, probably not. I could do geography. No, I couldn't really, could I? I was just thinking these are all categorical, so I can't really use most of those. I can use day, I'm pretty sure. Welcome Johnny to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. You can't go all in yet, Unicorn. You have to like, use, I think it's plus bow, and then find out. That's unfortunate. How much is actually in the bank? Screw it. Like it. Hey, I'm purple now. That's interesting, right? Okay. Oh, I was gonna enable like better TTV, wasn't I? I didn't do that in the end. That's annoying. You have 4. That's really unfortunate. There you go. That user is not in a database. Did I spell it wrong? Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. There you go. Quickly, you can do it. So I'm just watching the hang. Never mind, you were too late. That is a big F. That is a very sizable F right there. Hey, I got 474 credits for free. How much have I got? I've probably got quite a lot. Actually, no, because I need to move all my because I've still got this just kind of there. I need to like move all those over. To my new username. But yeah. So this, yeah, that's fine. So yeah, I'm just choosing a thing. So I could probably do like day and then views. Whoops. Oh, God, yeah, that's annoying. So I could do like views estimated ad revenue. Well, that didn't work. What the, what? Why? Oh, I see. Whoa, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need a different data set. I'm gonna need the revenue stuff. Get analytics. Stop. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Allow those people have an exploited amount because it was sort of unfair to break it. I mean, to be fair, I've gotten this 37,000 purely off my own back without any thing. But I mean, like the channel points are more important anyway, and you can't exploit those. So. I might try and set up something where you can use the credits to redeem stuff for a bit. I don't know though. So I need all the metrics ideally. I want all the metrics. And the dimension, I want that to be day. To kind of populate the data a bit. Then we need, the start date to be 2020 10 12, and then we want the end date to be today. Carb revenue. Okay, that's fine. So Python get analytics.py. We're using Analytics version 1.1 today. Yeah. I think. Are we using Analytics 1.1? That could be a good thing to check, actually. Come to think of it. That's all. Okay. Actually, no, because I just installed it, didn't I? So of course we're using 1.1. Yeah, we are using 1.1. Well, I'm dumb. I know it's probably going to force me to console authentication. It didn't. Fantastic. I haven't looked in Discord since the stream started. Carberra tutorials. Continue. Allow. Cool. Right. Hi, Unicorn. I can see you. Okay, cool. So we now have this carb revenue. Well, it should really be the revenue window. Welcome, Junks, or John, I think you wanted me to call you, didn't you? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the first affiliate stream. It's all exciting. We have channel points, we have bits, we have subscriptions now. So feel free, should you wish to, although you're already a patron, so I wouldn't expect you to have the additional money to, but yeah. Good to see you here. Yeah, so I believe this was the first day and actually earned any sort of revenue. Yeah, 12th of October was when I got partnered. I know, right? So cool. So happy I got it. It's so nice. Honestly, it's so nice to just not have to deal with Restream. Like, the reason I was sticking on Restream for so long is because I couldn't earn the money. I couldn't earn any money off the Twitch. I could earn it off the YouTube, but I couldn't earn it off the Twitch. So now I'm affiliate, I can earn it off the Twitch. I just like, screw YouTube. I don't want to deal with it. I mean, if Restream was nicer, then maybe, but then I wouldn't be able to stream anywhere because of affiliate exclusivity. So. So carb, I guess since partner, I'm going to call it. I don't know why I changed it here because it doesn't matter. But, carb since partner. So if we load that one up, then we should get. Oops, that's the wrong one. Didn't want that. Go away. Okay, so we could actually don't want this at all. Do we want to reload everything? Oh, cool. That wasn't really a great graph. Damn. I'm going to put that to a higher degree to show it off a bit better. Maybe 7. I should probably actually pass the degree into the thing. Come to think of it. Pass the degree equals like 5 or something. So if you pass the degree equals 1, it will do linear. If you pass it into 0, it will do a horizontal line through the center. It's kind of interesting. Okay, there we go. Yeah, the number of degrees is doing stuff. This will be fine. I could just show that it's kind of like moving around. Look at all these graphs here. That's kind of funny actually. 10 a good one to show off? I think maybe 4, maybe 3 or something. Something a bit looser. Actually, 3 to 4 is a good. I think 4 is a good default to show that it's kind of wavy. It's not really like a line though. That's the problem. The off again side. Yeah, his internet sucks, unfortunately. Right, okay. Like, yeah, I guess that'll be fine. I suppose. No, it's kind of not. I want something that is like very much like a curve. Like if I went day views, that would show it off quite well. But the thing is, it doesn't. The polynomial timestamp doesn't support date time, so I can't really do that, which is really unfortunate. Actually, I could probably do estimated minutes watched. That might work. Just got to go back, and apparently that's just doing it one at a time now. What? That's interesting. That's not much better. Okay, I'm gonna have to go through this because I feel as though this is kind of our best shot. Having something relatively, maybe likes, views versus likes. It's kind of always going to be all over the place. That's the problem. The only thing that isn't all over the place is the day. But again, the day is kind of the issue here because it doesn't support date times. Hey, glad to hear the stream is working. Right, let's see. I'm just trying to think. If what I got is good enough, or if I'm gonna have to like scramble it. I could just do like a day, like a day number, I suppose. So that's not showing off especially well. What I could do is I could just like start experimenting with stuff until something works. That kind of works. I think 3 is probably a bit much for it though. Yeah, that actually kind of works as an experiment, as like a showing off. Because it clearly shows the trend of, you know, the more the views are around 1325, the higher it goes. And then as the views increase beyond that point, I get less money. That's so, well, it's not necessarily less money, it's more clicks per mil. Yeah. Founder, 1 month subscriber, yeah. Specifically the founder box and things. What other badges are there? I kind of want to do a badge for Patreon people. But I don't know if there's any left, which is kind of unfortunate. I don't even know if I might have to look at that later. You can't make custom badges. Yeah, but I meant like if there was a spare one. But I think there may only be VIP if I wanted to do something like that, which is kind of irritating. I feel like that would be a good I feel like that would be a good, you know, like a reward for VIP Can only add the VIP. Oh, that's annoying. That's the only thing you can do. I guess I'll think about it. The only problem is if having the VIP for Patreon is that, you know, I kind of screw over everyone I gave VIP to. Yeah. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. Think about how I want to tackle that. I think. Because I don't have any Twitch, like, Patreon rewards at the moment. So it'd be good to have that. Because they're all YouTube ones at the moment. Because it was all on YouTube. But alright, see you later, side. I think that would be fine as a demonstration of polynomial regression. I mean, that is kind of... yeah, that is showing a trend. So we'll just leave it at that, I think. Okay, so that's the polynomial done. We're about halfway through the stream, so we're on track. So Patreon to support a role and include Twitch in that. No, I'm talking about like providing the VIP badge for Patreon subscribers or Patreon pledges. I mean, I guess I could just have like VIP if you're particularly active or on the Patreon maybe, but then does that take it away? I don't know. Explain polynomial regression. Okay. Well, it's sort of like linear regression. So where linear regression draws like a line, like a straight line of best fit through it, a polynomial regression kind of draws... Oh, it's difficult to explain, but like it draws a curve of best fit, I suppose. Using data analysis to determine which topics bring most money. I'm not really sure. I could probably do that. I could. Actually, it kind of depends. The thing is that every single video on the channel is education, so I can't really use that. I suppose I could use titles, but you can't grab those from the API. Can't do tags either. That's kind of annoying. I think you can do it individually, sort of. I mean, I could have like a Twitch sub thing. Is there an automatic like Discord integration thing? Does Twitch like have a bot for that? I might have to look that up. Because having Twitch subscribers, because when I get YouTube members as well, if I ever do, then that would be nice to have like some Discord integration for as well. I don't really want to have to manage that manually because that's just going to be a bitch. Twitch has auto integration with Discord. No bot needed. Oh, okay. Well, that could work then. Because if so, then yeah, I can change it to the supporter role and just give everyone like the same thing. Because Patreons will have their own role. Or hopefully I can give multiple roles. I can just give this blanket supporter role. That's the one that's hoisted, like the Patreon one is currently. And patrons, Twitch subscribers can go in there. And then when I need to look up when I get YouTube members. Unless someone wants to look that up for me now. When that's a thing, YouTube members can go in there, providing there's auto integration for that. Which is YouTube, so I'm less likely. Just got Twitch subs. Yeah, I need to... The server linked to your Twitch channel, you can set up so subs get rolled automatically. I don't think the server is linked currently to mine. Is that a thing? Let me have a quick gander. Whoops, that's the server boost. Yeah, it's I need a thing in here. So it'd be server settings, and it would be. Oh god, I don't actually know where it'd be. It'll be integrations probably. Maybe integrations? Is it something I do from Discord or from Twitch? Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out like how to enable it, because my server isn't linked to my Twitch channel at the moment, so I want to be able to do that if it's possible. Of course, I don't know if you need Discord partner. That's the thing. Which if you do, that's going to be annoying because I got rejected from Discord partner for some reason. They didn't say why. I'm just annoyed at the fact they didn't say why. If they told me why, I'd be fine with it. But they just didn't say why, so it's like, snake. All right, I'll look it up later. Get rid of that. 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 Oh, yes. Save that. And we want to. Okay. K-means clustering is next. Oh no, if we're doing I might just do like clustering straight up, because we seem to be using inbuilts for this, so which makes sense. I don't know if the timer's run. There's a timeout where you can reapply. I'm just gonna reapply 1,000, I think. God damn it, Jackster. I should implement that command, to be fair. If you go unicorn, if you go onto the source, can you make an issue for that? Like a feature request kind of thing. Pulsks. Pulsks. I don't even know how you'd even begin to like verbally pronounce PLS space THX. Just so long as it's at the end of your Mario Maker level, it doesn't matter. Yeah, hug command would be good, I think. Because I could just bolt that onto the current bot. Because I'm going to rewrite it in Twitch.py when Max is finished with that. But I think that's a little while away yet. Because I've seen the message passing system, and my god, it is quite something. It's quite something to get what you need out of a Twitch message. If you go to issues and a new issue, so if you go, hang on, if I go into it real quick, so you'll see issues here, and then there'll be a new issue button. Just click that. You'll be good to go. So we need to load those two in. So partner, yeah, we'll just leave it Cubs as partner for now. And then cluster. Actually, we probably. Oh yeah. We actually want stuff that's away. So K means clustering. I know. sklearn has one. There we go. I know that because we weren't allowed to use it when we had an assignment on it. Let me quickly show you that. My manual, no, I don't want to save any changes. My manual implementation of K-means clustering that I figured out myself, by the way, so I'm still quite proud of it. So go data / program / university / assignment / machine learning. That's not it. Oh, okay, I just didn't have assignments in there. Assignment 2. Okay, that was weird. Jesus. It's got I know, right? It was kind of fun to work it out though, even if it was a bit of a nightmare. Oh no, this is the wrong assignment. This is the wrong assignment. Yay! It's assignment 1. I was in the correct directory already. God damn it. Oh yeah, I got rid of the vent. Hug command suggestion on GitHub. Thank you. That way I just don't forget about it. If it's on the GitHub, I can't ignore it. So did I'm pretty sure I had a requirements.txt. I didn't. Okay, well, we're just going to have to guess, I think. I'll load it up and then I'll see what we actually need. So you matplotlib, numpy, pandas, sklearn. That's it, okay. NumPy pandas scikit-learn. Is that what it's called? Is that what the suggestion's called? Nice. I'll quickly labels accepted status. What is it? Oh, status accepted type feature. Cool. Add now. I'm gonna be sad. Oh my god. Right. Okay. What was I looking for? Oh yeah, I was looking for the k-means. Yeah, so this is my custom k-means implementation, complete with type pins and everything. You can see it's huge. So we have, and this is like entirely out of NumPy. Status urgent. Is there a status urgent? Oh, I think that's for like breaking things. So if something is like completely shat up. That's probably only going to be really used in Carberra, if anything. Yeah, this is custom k-means. So we get the initial clusters as a list of NumPy arrays, because that's how I chose to do it. And then, yeah, so this is a method to get the closest centroid. I'm going to have to explain. This falls under urgent. I suppose. We did. Do we even have one for urgent? Is that a thing? No, we don't. We don't have one. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure we like scrapped all that. Because we did used to have high priority, low priority, and then we decided that was just a waste of time. So we scrapped them all. Yeah, let's get to the closest centroid. This then, like, adjusts the centroids when they need to be. And then this just goes through a loop just doing all the logic. I know it's not difficult, but it's like, I don't... And then it's just the plotting, my god. I'll do it after the stream, potentially. We'll see. I might. So... Yeah, we don't have to do any of that, because we can just do k-means. We can just use sklearn. So number of clusters... Okay. If I just dump that in a cell... This is basically how I'm enabling myself to continue seeing the chat. I'm just dumping stuff in cells. It's dot cluster. It's interesting. So from sklearn dot cluster import k-means. Here's a fun fact about sklearn. It is huge. The library is enormous. You can tell that because the manual is a PDF. There is a PDF manual that is 2,800 pages long. I'm not kidding, by the way. It's 2,800 pages. It's insane. I'm presuming most of it's automatic. I imagine it was probably auto-generated from doc strings in some fashion. Yeah, seriously. I'll find it for you. Yeah, other versions. The PDF. Okay, 23.2. So 24.1, bearing in mind, will have more stuff than this. But this is 23.2. They might not actually do it as a PDF anymore. As you can see, page 1 of 2,754. I don't know if this zip would actually have the... I have actually got a 1.0. That's interesting. I don't know if this will have a PDF in it. Oh no, it just has the make. I imagine they probably stopped making the PDF in that case then. By the looks of things. This is all HTML. I imagine they just decided that it was getting too long. But yeah, it's just mad. It's utterly mad. This is a huge library. It's been around since 2007. It's been around since before Python 3 was even a thing. That's how long it's been around. Actually, how long has NumPy been around? NumPy.org. It should have like a thing. 1.20. 2019. Okay, so the website's obviously been updated. But us. Created in 2005. Why won't I use TF? Because we don't need to use TF right now. This is a data analysis, not machine learning. If it was machine learning, I'd use it, but not for data analysis. We're not going that far. I don't really feel comfortable doing a series on machine learning yet because I'm still learning it all. Like I'm still learning the differences between all the activation functions and all that stuff. Yeah, Keras is for ML. This isn't Keras. Keras is part of TensorFlow. I think it was part of TensorFlow too. Yeah, scikit-learn is... I mean, you can train AIs through scikit-learn. You can. But this is first and foremost a data analysis pre-processing library. But you can analyze data. Also, you can pre-process a data set, analyze it, train a series of AI models, and evaluate them all in this one library. It is nuts. But for deep learning, you need TensorFlow. Not quite. Seaborn can do. Seaborn sits on top of Matplotlib. That is a graphing library. You can't do data analysis, or you can't do pre-processing, and you can't do artificial intelligence or machine learning through Seaborn. It's purely a framework that sits on top of Matplotlib. Printing the manual and use it as a dumbbell. That's very true. I don't think the uni would let me print 2,700 pages though. Yeah, all these libraries all fit into each other. It's very strange. But yeah, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, sklearn, TensorFlow, and I think there's one other as well. Has just like a load of stuff. They're all interlinked with each other. So if you want to normalize your data, then you need to use sklearn. If you want to graph your data, then you want to use Seaborn. For loading the data, you want to use pandas. That's what I was getting confused with. For training a model, you probably want to use TensorFlow. You know, so you can see how the list of dependencies, like my chatbot Maisie, which isn't functional before anyone asks, that currently, if you do an install, that currently installs 57 different libraries before being able to run. It is nuts. It's absolutely insane. Yeah, it's honestly ridiculous. So K means welcome, Detox Mango to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Is that name familiar? I feel like that name is familiar. I don't know. Do you work in data science? At some point, hopefully in the future. I'm still at university right now, but I want to go into data science or ML. I kind of decided that near the start of year 3. Because although the data science and machine learning modules were awful, like the stuff I'd done in my dissertation, which is all kind of ML DS based, that was all super fun to do. So yeah, this is all still quite new to me, but this is definitely where I want to go. Anyway, so n clusters equals... we can actually just... So we'll do 3, I think. The k-means plus plus is default. That's interesting. N init, max iter. Okay, we'll have a look at all these. I only really know the basic k-means clustering. So I don't really know what the difference between plus plus is. In a smart way to speed up convergence. Oh, so it's just a better k. I see. So it has a Yeah, I think the only difference between k-means and k-means plus plus is that plus plus has like an algorithm to select the initial centroids, whereas standard k-means selects them entirely at random. God damn it. It's time to test me to see how much data science I know. If you think I'll be able to learn data science. I mean, it kind of depends. Like, do you know stuff about like pandas and like you don't really need to know NumPy for basic stuff. But pandas, at least Matplotlib, but preferably Seaborn. All right, I'll just go in series of like recommended libraries I would have for data science. So pandas to load the stuff into a data frame. Seaborn to plot it all. You need to know some scalar and stuff, but you know you just look that up as you go. You know, it's such an extensive library, you can never possibly use everything. You want to use Seaborn instead of Matplotlib. It is so much better, trust me. Let me prove it to you. I just punched my microphone. Alright, so this is an episode I'm planning that compares Matplotlib to Seaborn. So this is the code to do this in Matplotlib. So the graph is a bit, it's enough to see what I'm going for here. So to do this, you do this. In Seaborn, you do this. It's 3 lines rather than like 10. Matplotlib is awful. You want to be using Seaborn, trust me, my dude. Best thing to know is to build something small with data, see how it works. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I'm just experimenting with my YouTube data set. There are probably better data sets out there. I'm just using this. I'm just using my YouTube data so I can distribute it as much as I want. Because I want people to be able to like download the ones that I use. You know, if they're really unsure about stuff, that they could at least make sure they've done it right, and then once they have the correct things, they can then use those methods on other data sets. But yeah, Seaborn is a mega pog. It looks so much better. I mean, it has like colors and stuff. Welcome Matt Jacks to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. It's being updated daily. Yeah, well, the problem is with a COVID data set as well is is that, you know, it kind of dates it a bit. If I just use my YouTube stuff, then I don't remind people about a pandemic. Because then people want to program to, you know, forget about the pandemic, you know. Plus people can do like stuff with COVID in their own time, as far as I'm concerned. I'm just using my YouTube data because, well, and another reason is so I can advertise my PyPy library, Analytics. You know, the one that I built. I can advertise that if I do this. That's another thing. So, but yeah, I don't really want to go into like, oh, COVID in a video, because that just dates it to hell. Like in 2 years after like people just wanted to forget about it, if they're like, oh, I want to do data science, oh god, not this again, you know. So yeah, I have a library. You know what I did in this Get Analytics? This is mine. This is I made this. Yeah, I was very proud of myself. Honestly, the YouTube Analytics API is a bitch, and no one else have built a library for it. So I thought, screw it, why not? That's true. Yeah, probably demonetization. Yeah, I'm making an analytics tutorial before I do a data analysis one. I just haven't got around to it yet. I feel as though you can learn the basics of Matplotlib and get away with it, but you want to learn Seaborn well. That's the one you want to learn well. You probably do want to learn Matplotlib to an extent, or at least to the point where you can like look it up and wing it, I would say. But that's probably as far as you want to go, and then just kind of learn Seaborn. But I mean, I still refer off the API for Seaborn a lot, because there's a lot to it. So yeah, well, if you want to, yeah, we'll take a wee break from all this, and I'll show you the library real fast. So we'll do this one, because I'm not sure if this one's up to date. Actually, this one might be. Oh no, I don't think this one is up to date. I think this is like version... What version is this? 1.0.1, yeah, that's not up to date. I need the lib analytics. There you go. So this one is 1.1.0, so this one's up to date here. But the Seaborn or Matplotlib documentation. Sorry, Matt Jacks. So if we go in here, this is kind of the class that does stuff. Well, that's actually this is the class that gets everything. I kind of want to split this out into multiple functions in a 1.2, so it kind of serves as a better API for graphical user stuff. The raid is in about an hour. Unicorn. Yeah, I would definitely recommend playing around with Seaborn. And you will notice immediately how much better it is. Trust me, my dude. When I found it, I was like, oh my god, Seaborn is actually so OP. Yeah, this is the code that kind of gets all the stuff. So that's kind of a mess in itself. And then there's like this, which is even more of a mess, which is basically just a series of all the possible report types in an object of their own. And we're still going. All this line, like what, 20 to 931 is just defining different report types. Like, look at all this. I had to do it, and then this is all like the verification and all that. And then there's down here. This is like a little algorithm determining which report type to use based on the dimensions and the filters that the user passed. It's just insane. And then this is like a little thing for like playlists as well. So you have to like say if it's curated or not. It's just nuts. And then you got the features, and then all the things have different types of features. So you have to do that. And then you have this stupid system where you have to, some can take non-zero or required, or it was awful. It was awful. It took me like 3 or 4 months to get to where I am now with this. But I'm glad I did it. Can I use pandas in my college data? Oh my god. I'm pandas. Yikes. Yeah, I mean, I suppose if you're allowed to use NumPy, then I suppose that wouldn't be too bad. It'd just be awkward. Or just use dictionaries, Kappa. Some blocks I use read Seaborn, some use Matplotlib. Yeah, Matplotlib is quite often used, but I personally would recommend Seaborn. Yeah, Seaborn sits on top of Matplotlib, so it's a dependency. But it's essentially just something to make Matplotlib easier. Instagram, I don't know. I don't think I have anything to post on Instagram. That's the only reason I don't have one. Like, what would I post on it? Sponsor the bank. Not all of NumPy. Interesting. That kind of seems weird how you had to build your own pandas one. That just seems unnecessary. Mind you, actually, I say that when we were doing a MATLAB assignment, I had to build. We weren't allowed to use any of MATLAB's built-in functions. We were using MATLAB, and we weren't allowed to use the built-in functions. Like, what? Actually, what? Oh god, tease it. Yeah, potentially, I could do that. Time series analysis. What do you mean? I'll allow it, why not? Oh god, that's an ad. That goes into add permitted term. Okay, I was kind of hoping for that to be a one-off, but whatever. It seems to like block swearing quite a bit. I might have to adjust that. I want to be a little less computational scientific. I mean, MATLAB is all right. It has some weird quirks, but it's okay. It's one indexed, which is weird to use, and a lot of the syntax is very strange. But I don't know, once you get used to it, it does. I can kind of see why they did some stuff in the way they did. It's just rough. Arima, gosh, camera filter. I don't think I'd done any of that. No. So I'm just grabbing something else out of the room. Yeah, it's like low in that respect. I don't know why. It's built in C. Like a lot of the stuff is built in C, but like the matrix operations and stuff are supposed to be like the fastest you can get. Apparently, MATLAB is supposed to be unparalleled in that sort of area, but like for loops and yeah, the moment you go into loops, apparently MATLAB can slow down to such an extent it gets slower than Python. So it's either the fastest in the world or one of the slowest. It's one of the two. It's very strange. Well, Matplotlib is the Python graphical API of MATLAB. It was built with MATLAB in mind. It's sort of like a MATLAB emulator in a way. You just don't have the data analysis stuff on top of it. Compert's change. I haven't done time series analysis or anything like that. In that case, I might have to look it up. But yeah, exactly. NumPy arrays are C arrays. Yeah, I remember when Julia came out, I was going to experiment with it. I never actually did. That was fun times. So I could probably just get away with this, honestly. K-means is not defined. Did we not import it? No, we didn't. Hello? Oh. Yeah, that's my bad. So that's the thing. So what are the other options for this? I kind of got distracted by just chatting. K-means plus or random. Oh, yeah, this is the standard K-means one. I see. So this is the one that my implementation used. Just the random one. Stop there, really. That's kind of annoying. If array is passed, it should be a shape of n clusters, n features. It gives the initial centers. If a callable is passed, it should take the arguments x, n clusters, and a random state. Okay, we don't need to worry about that. Number of times the K-means algorithm will be run with different centroid seeds. The final results will be the best output of any consecutive runs in terms of inertia. Oh, I see. So you can actually run it multiple times. Max data. The maximum number of iterations of the K-means algorithm for a single run. Relative tolerance with regards to Frobian's norm. Oh, my goodness. And the difference of cluster centers to 2 consecutive iterations to declare convergence. Oh, I see. Okay. 1e minus 4. That seems a bit low. I suppose I'll go with it. I forget what I used for mine. I think mine might have... Actually, mine might have been this. Do I still have it open? What did I use as a convergence figure? Because I did use... There was a certain distance. Oh no, I just rounded it to 3 decimal places entirely. Yeah, so I used the same. Okay, that's fine. Pre-compute distances. Pre-compute distance faster but takes more memory. Default is auto. Do not pre-compute distances if n samples times n clusters are greater than 12 million. This corresponds to about 100 megs overhead per job. Wow. Welcome back, Dr. Camel, by the way. Never mind, it's gonna get... Sorry I missed you. Always pre... Okay, we'll just leave it automatic then. Bossing mode, random state. Determines random number generation for central initialization. Use an int to make the randomness deterministic. Okay, so that's a seed. Copy X. So pre-computing distances is more numerically accurate to center the data first. If copy X is true, the original data is not modified. If false, the original is modified and put back before the function returns. Small numerical differences may be introduced by subtracting and then adding the data to the mean. Okay, so yeah, we'll leave that as false then. Number of jobs, number of open MP threads to use for computation. Parallelism is sample-wise on the main scythe and loop using all processors. Okay. Algorithm. K-means algorithm to use. Full. Is more efficient on data with well-defined clusters by using triangle inequality. I'll just use the automatic. For now, auto chooses LCAN. Okay. I guess we'll just leave the rest as default then, because those look fine. So are you, Unicorn. Yeah, we'll just use default then, I guess. Actually, I've got to go back to docs to see what the hell we do. Actually, it's cluster centers, labels, inertia, and iter. I guess we don't really need any of that. So is it literally just like k-means dot predict? Oh, k-means dot, there we go. Computers k-means clustering. I see. So yeah, we've got to do X. Not use present here for API consistency by convention. How strange. That is strange, actually. Okay, so k-means dot fit, and then we do, I guess, df. Actually, we probably don't want to do. We'll do like. Actually, how would that work? I've forgotten how. It's just such a while ago I did this. DS. So I got a data set. Was this? Did I load them in as TFs? Oh no, the DF. What did I call data sets? Oh, because they're NumPy arrays. I see. Oh, the NumPy ND arrays. Dot breeds and then DS01. Oh, so 02. So it takes the DS and then it's. Okay, so I'm presuming it just takes an ND array. Correct? Array like. And so. Convert it to C ordering, which will cause a memory copy if it is not C contiguous. I'm presuming we just pass an ND array into this. Yeah, k-means clustering is complicated. You'll see what the result is after, but actually trying to explain it is going to be horrible. So we'll do views and then red views. That seemed to we do. What gave us like a huge? I think it was estimated ad revenue. Gave us like a huge amount of disparity. Is that gonna? No, it's not gonna work. Estimated ad. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Because that's fine. So then how do we plot this? Predict the closest cluster sample S belongs to. I want to be able to plot this now. It returns. It returns a k-means on itself. So it did cluster them, but then how in the world? I presume I need to grab the ND array of shape labels. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Dot labels. Also, I do love how it doesn't use proper Python convention. Oh, for God's sake. K-means dot labels. Oh, these are the clusters. Okay. Yeah, we have actually got a decent array of clustering there. Nice. So I guess cluster centers. Any array of shape. I'm presuming this will just be 3. Yeah, 3 points. So the centers are quite close to each other. How do we then get the points out? Some of the square distances samples to their closest cluster center. Someone is playing very loud music over the other side. You probably won't be able to hear that, but I can just about. Don't know if it's predict. Yeah, predict the closest. That's not what I want. Set the parameters of this. Transform to a cluster distance space. Get the parameters for this estimator. How the hell do you plot this? Python plot k means clusters. It's easy to see, Bornery. My God, that is loud music. Actually, holy mother God. Make blobs. X equals make blobs. Oh, this is what we want. Y k means. So k means not fit, and then we do want the y. We want scatter. Seem that very. Oh, c equals y k means. S equals 50. Centers. Okay, this is interesting. It's gone out. That's affiliate. That's me making money, my friend. So yeah, I guess y k means. So we want like the pred equals k means. Oh, do we pass in an array here? Oh, can we pass in? Of course we do. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, yeah. That was a bit of a bad moment. So okay. Jeez, they're just ramping the music up louder and louder, I swear. I would not be surprised if you're able to hear that now. Oh, predicts missing wrong. Oh yeah. So this should give us a. Oh no, that just gives us a list of clusters. So oh, that's clever. That's that's clever actually. Yeah, okay, I see what it's going for now. plt.figure to do a scatter of our things. So sns.scatterplot data equals df x equals views y equals estimated ad revenue and then my gray. You're still purple on my screen. And then we do the color equals pred, I think. Yeah. That's clever. That's real clever, actually. So if you do fig.show, it should... There we go, yeah. These are our clusters. So, yeah, yellow, purple, and blue for some reason. I don't know why it's chosen those colors. Yeah, even purple for like a last hour or so. So these are our clusters. Between views and estimated ad revenue. We can plot the centroids as well. So sns.scatterplot data. Oh, we don't want data actually. We want x equals k-means.cluster centers. And then we want the 0th column, and then we want the first one on the Y, and I'm pretty sure that would be fine. Whoops. That's not gone well. That's very much not gone well. And then we also want the size to be like 50. Has that worked? Oh, let's put them in. It's just put them in a weird color. Let's put them in 100. Actually, can I change the color? I might be able to change the color. Is that a thing? Gee, oh god, I don't remember the styling arguments. Must be a color. A sequence of colors, so maybe just grey, black, yellow. Ugh. Okay. K-means is kind of rough. Matplotlib formatting. It's kind of cool once you get your head around it though. So where's the formatting guide over here? Oh, there we go. So you want Let's do a plus. Like a, no, not a white plus. That's not going to work. So I forgot how we did it before. How did we do it here? It was... Oh, I did it S equals 100. Line width equals 2. We'll just copy these. Copy these arguments and put them in. I think that should be fine. There we go, that worked somehow. No, it didn't. That did not work at all. That kept them blue. I'm guessing I'm missing something. Oh, I've got to go to the SNS. That should... No, that wasn't enough. God damn it. Seaborn. API. Scatterplot. It would be... Imagine it'd be quarks. No, quarks is just like... The other keywords that are perhaps passed down to matplotlib access scatter. Yeah, so it's not like a separate thing. So that should work in theory. Why ain't it working? Why is it not doing it? Hello? Oh, the clusters are different now. Oh, they're not. I think they're the same. Are they? They look different. Am I losing my mind? Basically matplotlib. Yeah. Well, you know, thankfully I don't have to do this. You know, so I mean, Seaborn is substantially better, basically across the board. I just cannot figure out how to get the matplotlib styling to work. Why isn't this working? Oops. It's not even changing the edge colors. Oh, oh no, maybe the edge width, line width isn't. Oh, there we go. No, I think thing is overwriting it. I think Seaborn's overwriting it. The size it should be fine with. Yeah, the size it's fine with. So I don't understand why stability graphs. Yeah, I don't know what those are. It should just be like C equals black, surely. I'm presuming it's a value error. C, yeah, C must be a color, a sequence of colors, or a thing. I might just leave it. Is that obvious? I think it's kind of teal on teal, which is not ideal. It's blue on teal. You can kind of see the clusters here. No, those need to be a different color, really. Alright, can I just pass in hex value? No. Can I pass in a hex value like this? No. How stable is this system? When will it die and how bad it's going to die? Also, how accurate? Oh my goodness. That sounds quite terrifying. Full names or hex strings. So why isn't it working? Okay. We're going to open up this documentation and see. Oh, it's been moved here. Fine. Whatever. Where's C? Array like list of colors or color. Oh, it has to be a cycle? Oh no, it has to be a list. Okay. So I can probably get away, as soon as it's just one color, I can probably get away with this. Maybe. One of these days I'll get, there we go. Okay. That might be a bit, but there we go, okay. There we are. That graph doesn't look particularly attractive, but whatever, it'll work. It'll do. Right, can I want to like kind of close a load of these down. Honestly. Okay, so this is our k-means clustering. That's fine. So now what I want to do is I want to move that into a function if I can. Which I definitely looks as though I can. That's a great one down here. Def k-means clustering, and we pass in the number of clusters. Then we pass in the data. So I'm not sure how to retort to like a fluffy with another compliment, because unicorns aren't really fluffy. You're very smooth. Oh my god. Big smooth. Oh. They are fluffy. Oh yeah, their mains are fluffy, aren't they? No, I can call you fluffy then. That's fine. I don't have an issue with that. So I think that's it. I think that's all I need. It's basically a fluffy horse. Okay, that makes sense. With a horn, yes, of course. So k means n clusters. K means dot fit data, and then return k means dot predict data. You're cute as well, Jackster. Don't deny it. So we'll call this data just to oh, we're gonna have to bring out the centers as well. K means dot cluster centers. So that's gonna have to return two things. So we have the pred, and then the centroids equals k means clustering 3 clusters. No, we should pass in the data first, and then 3 clusters. And clusters, there we go. Let me have that. Is that like consistent? I kind of ideally want things to be consistent. It is consistent. Okay, that's perfect. Sweet. So then we pass in pred, and then here we don't have to pass in all this crap. We could just pass in the word centroids and it'll work fine. Plus it accesses less, and therefore it's better? No. Either reshape your array. Oh, now it's telling me to reshape it. Got a 2D array expected scalar instead. Did I get rid of something that I wasn't supposed to get rid of? Oh, why is it going back one at a time? It was fine with that. It was like perfectly okay with it. Make a triangle. Paul decided that I'm not cute. Huh? That was funky. So it's the fit of data. It is apparently just now not fine. It's supposed to be values, isn't it? Oh no, it's not. It's still errors. Actually, does it care? I don't even know if it cares. Expected 2D array, got scalar array instead. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to go and to the point where this didn't exist and restart. Okay, so this works. What? What? Okay. K means cluster. Also, the music stopped, I just realized. So data and clusters. Oh, you're red again now, Unicorn. So, yeah, K means equals K means the number of clusters. That's fine. K means dot fit data is also fine. It's the same. And we return K means dot predict data, and then K means dot cluster centers. Okay, so that's good. And we have so these three lines are the same. So we need to do pred and then centroids equals, that's unfortunate. Let's see what I can do. Let's do flip 10,000 tails. Oh, damn. That's a big loss. 343,000, my god. That's true. I can always do a... Oh, everyone's just getting it wrong. That's extremely unfortunate. You'll do it. Whoa, okay. We may have broken it. I know it has only registered one hack. Okay. Unicorn, you may need to rehack. I don't know if you'd be in it. Type plus hack and see. There's a chance, because it created two, there's a chance that your hack was overwritten by mine because we created it so close to each other. Welcome back, John. Do you mean the bot or the what we're doing now in the stream? Yeah, what I'm saying is that you might not be in my one because your one started fractionally before mine did. Oh god, they're both running. It didn't even cancel one, so I think we're part of both. I think we accidentally managed to duplicate the hack. I'd be interested to see if the hack is complete. Oh, only one hack completed. Oh. Yeah, both hacks completed. And there was only one winner of both. Wow. We found an exploit and the bot just went, no. That's so funny. Okay. It's not gonna work. I just realised that's gonna break because this needs to be centroids. That's really funny. You lost your 100? Oh yeah, you would have lost your 100. Oh. Oh no. Oh shit. We put the bank in debt. Oh no. There's a bar. Why is this broken, man? Why does it work when it's... Okay, hang on. Print X and then print data. They've got to be the same, surely. They're not. Data is different. somehow. How in the world has that happened? How has that happened? Well, what happens is that when the hack ends, it subtracts. It essentially provides people with their winnings, and then it clears the bank. And I think what might happen is it subtracts the number. It doesn't set it to 0, it just subtracts it. Is what I'm guessing happens. Can someone file a bug report? Thanks. Why does data get converted? What the hell? Wait, no, data... Wait, is data set somewhere else? No, data is in the scope. Oh no, yeah, it is the same. It is the same. It's exactly the same. Wait, now it works? Wait, what? It suddenly works? Alright. Okay, whoops. That's fine. It's fine. It's actually fine. You know. I fluffed the system. It's random chance. John. The chance itself is dependent on the number of people in the hack. So the more people in the hack, the more chance you have of winning. However, the less money you get. Because it splits it evenly. Oh my god, I'm going to close this. This venv. Okay, so we got K-means clustering to work. I don't know why it was being so weird at the end, but we got it to work. That's fine. I'm not going to bother with our clustering methods. There is K-means Gaussian, but sklearn appears to not support that. So oh, there's comments here. Join GitHub this month. Did you create a GitHub account just to do this? Oh, yeah, there you go. Yeah, if it's any consolation, Unicorn, I didn't do anything differently to what you saw it. So, oh, I thought someone said that submitted the thing. It hasn't been submitted though. Okay, interesting. That's the wrong one. Okay, so we're now on the final episode. Map reduce. Is this even possible? I don't know if it's possible. I guess we're going to see. sklearn map reduce. Beginner's instruction to map reduce. Oh, I think this has one built in. Okay, no, it doesn't. Data set transformations. I guess we'll see if it's in here. Normalization, imputation of missing. Imputation of missing values. That's actually kind of a good one. Yeah. Why was that a thing? Why? Why have that? Okay, univariate feature imputation. Should that be near the start? Filtering data, imputing missing values. That should probably be at the start. I don't know, we'll see what it involves first. Simple imputer. Oh, is this taking mean? Fit. So 3. Oh, I see. So 4, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, simply providing constant value or using statistics of each column in which the missing values are located. The class also allows for different missing value encodings. Strategy, I see. So it's in this strategy here. If mean, if median, if most frequent, if constant. Okay, so we can just use the mean. Multivariate feature imputation. Oh my word. Iterative. More sophisticated, which models each feature of missing values as a function of other features and uses that estimate for implementation. Does so in an intended iterative round-robin fashion. Each step, a feature column is designated as output Y, and the other feature columns are treated as input X. A regressor is fit on X, Y for known Y. Then the regressor is used to predict the missing values of Y. This is done for each feature on an iterative fashion, and then it's repeated for max iterative implementation rounds. The result is the final implementation round of returned. I see. My words. They did not make that easy, did they? Okay, so yeah, we'll do this. All right, we'll do this and then we'll end the stream. Because I do kind of want it. Even if it takes more than 18 minutes, I'm gonna finish this in the stream. So yeah, the simple imputer. I'm guessing. Oh, what's going on here? Broke again. Yeah, that's very true. I don't think underflows are possible in Python. I think if you go too high or too low, it just errors in the end. No, it goes into scientific notation. That's the thing, and it stores it differently, I believe. Sure, I won't hear a poorly designed thing. So missing. So this. Yeah, this. Imputing missing values would go before the graphing. Well, here we go again. So 8, imputing missing values. I'll just call it imputing.ipynb. And then we'll have to just like rename literally all of them, which is very annoying. It's this one, yeah, so we're going to end on the clustering, I think. It feels fitting that we're ending on the hardest one. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. Okay. So we'll go to the filter and data 1. Oh my, apparently we won't. Oh no, we will, yeah, because we don't need the graph stuff. So so we need this. And come to think of it, we also kind of need. Oh, we need one with missing values. Is that possible to get? In the analytics? I'm actually not sure. I might just have to make some of them nans. I think. Import. It's from the same import simple imputer and iterative imputer. It's the same. Okay. So from sklearn import simple imputer and an iterative imputer. But if we want to be Pepe, it's got to be that way around. And how do we cover it up? Oh, cannot import iterative oh, that would probably explain it. Huh? Can't import iterative imputer. Oh, God's sake, has it been? Have I spelled it wrong? I probably spelled it wrong. No, I spelled it right. Hello? Simple one works. Excuse me? It can't continue playing with a $3 trillion debt. It's not that bad. Iterative input. This is supposed to work. Now you can import normally. Still experimental from now. The predictions in the API might change without any deprecation cycle. To use it, you need to explicitly import. Oh, I see. That's very annoying. Alright, see you later, John. Thanks for stopping by. I see. So I've got to do that. Okay, my god. Alright, okay. I might like get some implementation going. Because in theory this isn't going to be hard to do. The placeholder for the missing values. All occurrences and missing values will be imputed. Or imputed for pandas data frames with nullable integer data types to be set to MP_nan. Since pd.na will be converted to MP_nan. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm just going to finish this off stream because it's going to take longer than 10 minutes. I think it's going to take about half an hour. I don't want to go over too much. I'll finish this off stream real quick. It is episode 8, so I can get away with leaving it for a bit. But I'll probably come back to that, but I'll just do it off stream. I think. While I'm here, to celebrate first affiliate stream, what I'll do is what's my BAL? Yes, I do need to do the raid. Let's see. What was it? Let's flip 27 266 heads. No, tails. Oh, you can't. Can't have that. 27 266 tails. Hey, there we go. We did it, lads. We got the W. Okay, so I'm gonna get his stream up on my side over here. I've never done a raid before, so I don't actually really know how it's gonna work. Program, by the way. Yeah, I know, right? Because we want to mute that. Sorry if you heard it twice just then. So if we get rid of this and we go to Nerd Cubed, who is currently live. I'm getting an ad, fantastic. There's 3,000 people watching. Yeah, we're going for almost 3 hours now. So yeah, that's muted, so you can't hear it at the moment. It'll be this command for the uptime. If I ever programmed it, which apparently I didn't. That's weird. I'm sure I did. Oh, hi. That's a big error. Well, I'm guessing the uptime command doesn't work. I'm going to do it now. Yeah. I was just waiting for the ad break to end. So, it's raid Nerd Cubed, I believe. And then it just kind of happens. Okay, we're going in 7 seconds. Right. Thanks for everyone for stopping by, and see you later. Bye.